Shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
And in between I will call few of you for some things to do with. You all please come, okay?
Okay, sir.
And then again it is like whole of science only. I will connect lot many chapters, okay? I will try to connect lot many chapters, and we are dealing today.
Science.
And you all know what I call science?
Yes, sir.
What I call science?
Beautiful.
Right, I call science?
Beautiful.
Okay, so today I will show you the beauty of science. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let us start with something which we all like to hear a lot of sound, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Lot of musics here and there, Korean musics, Japanese music, many other stuff, right? South Indian music, Indian music. Have you heard of something called T-Series?
Yes, sir.
Largest music
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
producer company of India. G Music, Sony Music, many others are there. Okay, today I will be showing you something which is very interesting. Okay, what I am holding? What I am holding?
15 box.
Tin box, right? What you can see, observe it and tell me what you observe.
It is production sound.
Shall I do it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Production sound.
Perfect, right? I want all of you all to listen me carefully. I want all of you all to listen me carefully. What is happening now? I want all of you all to hold this and tell your name in this and experience the feeling. Okay, my name is this and this. Okay, quickly, fast. Remove your marks for some time and do it fast so that you can experience something new today. Okay, hold it and tell your name. My name is so and so. What?
My name is Umesh Adel.
My name is Siddharth.
My name is Rishit Bhai.
Pass it fast.
My name is Abhishek Das.
My name is Sai.
My name is Siddharth, sir.
My name is Sohya Ranjan Sahu. My name is Subodh Khanal. My name is Suryakan Behra.
My name is Gaurav Das.
My name is George Nag.
My name is Rudrakat Behra.
My name is Dr.
My name is Pratikma Tripathi.
My name is Siddharth Sahu.
My name is Anush Prakash. My name is Subhajit Parida.
My name is Rashmi Rao.
My name is Satyasai Gandhi.
So this what happens? Was it a different feeling?
Yes, sir.
Was it a different feeling?
Yes, sir.
Few of them they did not got. Okay, I will give you back to give them also after some time. Okay, see, with sound many things are related. Okay, sound coming in. Okay, we are talking sound right now. What are the stuff related with sound that you can remember? Yes, please comment.
The frequency.
Okay, frequency.
The vibration. Amplitude.
See.
Phase, drop, equilibrium. Transversal.
Just a second. This moment when everybody started making some responses, they started giving responses, right? We all were able to hear the response
Yes, sir.
initially.
Yes.
Initially, when 2-3 people were speaking. But the moment more than 4 or 5 people of you started saying this, sir this, and sir that. So we were not able to make the things clear, right? So this what happens, and we call it noise. We call it noise. Right? So you all were making noise. Unknowingly, you all were making noise. But you were giving a response, right? Yes. Same thing can happen with any music, right? We are hearing a very pleasant music. एक बहुत सुंदर सा गाना सुन रहे हैं. Very decent, nice music, right? That same music can become a noise. Same music can become a noise, right? We are playing on our headphones or maybe our cellular phones, maybe some small speakers or home theater that we are having. The moment it goes to DJ wala, okay, the moment it goes to some party thing, the different thing happens, right? Right? What many things can be changed in that? क्या क्या बदल जाता है वहाँ पे? Please raise your hand and give response. You again started making noise. Okay? It's again a sound. Yes, Sai?
The loudness of
Sound is increased. Okay, good. Pratik?
Loudness of sound increases and there are bass boosters to it to increase the sound.
Okay, right. And next, yes, here. 2 of you raised hand. What happens with the same music? See, there are music which we hear for in a loop again and again and again and again, and we love to hear it, right? But the same music someone else is playing and we did not like it because Say for example, we have this volume button, right?
Yes, sir.
Where we can increase and decrease the volume, right? Maybe we would like to hear that song on this note. Someone is playing on this note, right? We like to hear it at point 1 and someone is playing at point 2. The same music, we did not like it. What changed in this? What changed in this? The music is same, the device is same, the volume has changed. What does volume change matlab kya? What happened?
Loudness change.
Loudness, anything else?
Amplitude change.
Amplitude change,
Frequency change.
frequency change,
Oscillation change. Vibration
Pitch changed.
The shrillness change.
See, lot many things that you said. We are studying sound only. You know how sound travels? Sound travels like this. For now you understand this. In many other classes you will read, but sound travels like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If this is your which axis? Y axis, and this is your x axis, right? With time we can write here time, and here we can write disturbance. What we can write? Which can also be put it as waves, which can also be put it as oscillations, to and fro motion. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Which can also be termed as energy. Okay? Lot many things can be said about this. See, right now I'm holding this, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing nothing with it. कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. The moment I gave this, what I'm trying to do? Okay? So I'm I'm making some disturbance, which means I'm giving some energy, which means there is some oscillations.
Yes, sir.
What is oscillation? Nothing but
So the to and fro motion of object.
and then again it becomes a wave. You all are from village, right?
Yes, sir.
You all are from village.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen, how many of you have seen lake?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have seen rivers?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have seen ponds?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have seen any other water bodies?
Yes, sir.
Right? And seeing is not important. सबने देखा है. But one thing that you have done. How many of you have thrown stone in it?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have thrown stone in it?
Yes, sir.
What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
Waves, sir.
Something like this. Do you see something like this?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कुछ दिखता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Do you see something like this?
Yes, sir.
दिखा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
We throw in with a very fine angle, very accurate measurement. अच्छे से फेंकेंगे तो we will get another thing. क्या किया boys ने? 2 बार. In the same water body you get the 2 figure.
Yes, sir.
मिल जाता है ना?
Yes, sir.
You get it right? So again, why I called wave, right? This wave is because this wave and this wave and this sound wave are all the same. Did I told you light is also a wave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in light also this happens. But how this circle came in? In case of
Because of vibration.
yeah, in case of light, I told you the other day. Small part of all these this circle here. Thora. It's all a straight line only, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let me zoom in here. If this is the circle, अगर ये circle बना है, so many lines have come,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Many lines have come to make this circle.
Yes, sir.
All of you all can see it?
Yes, sir.
See, right?
Yes, sir.
Small fragments of all the circle coming together. These are what? Lines, line ही है ना?
Yes, sir.
All the lines came together and make this circle,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is what happens in case of wave also. That all the lines that in a way, and you understood this?
Yes, sir.
This you will study in detail in 9th standard, little in detail, and more detail which is in 11th science. Okay? And the name of the chapter will be waves. What?
Waves.
Okay. See, again, the other day also we did this. I'm making some sound. What I'm trying to show? Did I created some disturbance?
Yes, sir.
I'm holding like this. Am I giving some energy?
Yes, sir.
Am I giving some energy? The moment I will do something, the moment I will push it or pull it or do something with it, it's a disturbance.
Yes, sir.
Disturbance means we are giving some energy. वी आर अप्लाइंग सम फोर्स. अगर फोर्स लगाए नहीं तो आगे कैसे जाएंगे, राइट? सो सी, एंड व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग दिस वी कैन हियर द साउंड, राइट? साउंड सुना, साउंड कैसे? द सेम वे. See how interesting it is. The moment I am saying the moment I am saying sound, आप सुन पा रहे हो instantly within the fraction of second. सुना कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
सुन लिया सबने आपने?
Yes,
मैंने बोला सुन लिया तो वो भी सुन लिया,
yes, sir.
right? So how that is happening? Let us talk for 1 minute about that, and without wasting much of your seconds in sound. See, I will clear all your sound. See, this, for science people, this graph is very important. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In any class, this graph is going to help you. This is called sine graph. What we call? Sine graph. Okay? See, you yourself will tell me, what is this?
Great. Great.
No, what is this?
Wave.
What is this distance? Huh? Y-axis, x-axis. What is this? Okay, amplitude. What is this?
Great.
What is this?
Drop.
What is this?
Wavelength.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are the things. कहाँ? What is left? Anybody? Anything?
Equilibrium, sir, जो line वाला.
Where?
सर वो जो line है बीच में, सर.
Which line? This one?
Yes, sir. वो वाला सीधा गया है.
Okay, what we can write?
Equilibrium.
Okay, this is called?
Equilibrium.
Right, perfect. अब इतने सारे वर्ड कहाँ से आए? बस यहीं से. This is nothing less, nothing more. This graph is bringing these many words and many more in the near future. Okay, you will. अभी इतने terms आप familiar है तो इतना काफ़ी है. Okay, there are lot many things which can be again illustrated. We can make the angles also. There are angles, right?
Right.
There are angles. There are angles. Okay. So lot many things you will come about, you will discover in the near future. There are, all these are angles. At some time, some point they are making some angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? The moment I draw something, there is some angle. The sound, wherever you will read this graph, and many things in physics, it's all about this graph. Okay? So this is what your sound is dealing with.